network marketing in Bangladesh, and I was well aware that many of the Indian companies have failed in this market, and that was the only concern in the minds of Bangladeshi networker, that whether this company will also survive or not. And the company management has taken that as a challenge, that we will prove that we are not just number one company in India, we are the number one company of Bangladesh also. And with that intention, company has started its legal proceedings. Everything is legalized by now. Brother Nasiruddin has told you the entire story. I will not repeat that unnecessarily. But unfortunately, it's all Allah's will. We never predicted COVID. We wanted to start our operations in the month of March. My passport is with me. On that, 1 year visa was stamped on 12th of March. Myself, Captain Firoz, and 2 more people. Before we had to come here, we have taken a house here so that we can stay here for longer period. But whatever happens, happens for the good. That launching in March 2020 was postponed by the will of Allah. But inshallah, this year we are coming more stronger, more powerful than ever before to serve the people of Bangladesh, inshallah. In the pandemic period, when the other companies were slowing down, when the other companies, globally I am talking to you, when the other companies were going out of the business, Magnesa business globally has increased to manifold. In the pandemic itself, Magnesa has started 3 new branches in India and 1 Dhaka branch we have added during the pandemic. We got some time, Magnesa management got some time, and they have changed the entire website software. And the most importantly, Magnesa has added a new range of products, that is Magmart.